we're going to do the honeycomb border, and I'm going to show how to change color in here. I'm doing my border a little differently, so that's going to affect the look as I go across, but this is ultimately how you're going to need to do your border if you do your color change in the last stitch. This one here is a Tunisian simple stitch, so for the honeycomb border we're going to purl that stitch, then we're going to Tunisian simple stitch, purl stitch, simple stitch, purl stitch, simple stitch, purl stitch, simple stitch. Now this one would be where you are going to purl, but you also have a color change. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull your yarn forward. You're going to go through the two next loops because we have a color change. So we're going to put those two on. See them? There they are. 1 and 2. Now pull your yarn forward and we're going to purl those two together. Now you can see the purl bump right here. Now you're going to reach back, grab your second color. You're going to go under your purl bump that you can see here, and this is our next vertical bar that we used already, but we're going to go back in and we're going to grab that vertical bar. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through, and that is going to give us our first stitch. And you're going to continue to Tunisian simple stitch across, and when you cast off, it'll be perfect. It's going to be just like you want it to be. I hope this is clear and that everybody can see it, because it's hard to see what you're doing in the camera. Since my son's at school, I can't have him hold the camera. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me or post on our Tunisian Crochet Graphghan boutique page. I look forward to working with you all. Thank you and have a great day.